We want to say from the onset that the procurement function is a function of the executive, and that the assembly has no role in procurement unless there is a malpractice. If there's a malpractice, it's the responsibility of the assembly to come up with very clear areas that require redress. However, as to which officers, government officers serve in those offices and how they serve is not a function of the specific MCAs. In fact, that would amount to interference with government procedures, which is not allowed. One of the things that is expected of any procurement process is that there is independence, and therefore we will not tilt our systems so that we can be able to respond to some interests that some of them may be having. And I want to say some of them because not all of them carry that view. Secondly, we are not in office courtesy of them. We are in office courtesy of the people who elected us. And our responsibility is to safeguard public interests. Consequently, we cannot and shall not give in to any attempts to twist the executive to do that which the law does not allow. And consequently, we also want to put it on record that there must be a significant attempt to distinguish between oversight and extortion. So if anybody thinks that in the process of exercising their oversight, they will use extortion to make certain decisions within the executive, we are not ready for that. We know our rights, we know the rights of the people of Nakuru, and we do not, by any chance, want anybody to think that they can teach us how to do our work. If it's an impeachment, we are ready for it. We are ready for it, not even in 14 days, even today. So I think this idea of the assemblies across the country putting certain demands, and unless you do them, you're impeached. I think this is a time when the nation needs to have a very sober conversation as to what oversight is, because we think we are going overboard. And for those who think that that stick can work, it can work elsewhere, but not here in Nakuru. So I think for the members of the county assembly, remember your role, remember your obligation, remember your people back there. And the simple little interests that are around here in town cannot sway us from the work that is